Hey guys, Basement Builds here, and I'm making this video as a introduction to my YouTube channel. So, yeah, on this channel, I will be making videos on horizontal shaft engines, like 212s, Hondas, Briggs and Strattons, and I will be doing custom builds like homemade mini bikes, maybe a homemade go-kart. And yeah, stay tuned to that. But just so you know ahead of time, my name is Landon. I will be showing you guys some of the stuff I'm working on currently with my uncle. So yeah, we have a Briggs and Stratton Intech 206 that's getting its carburetor cleaned out, and had to change the oil in it. So when we get the carburetor cleaned out and some gas in it, should fire right up. Yeah, not a bad engine. Alright, now this here is a Honda clone engine that I have done a Governor Lily on, along with getting a VM22 carburetor off of Amazon. Pretty normal thing to put on, along with a handmade exhaust thingy that my uncle made, but haven't gotten an aluminum flywheel for it yet. Still working on it, but going to be putting this in a homemade mini bike, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, it's not really a 212cc though. I believe it's like 170, 180. This was on a water pump, but just figured it would be better because didn't have a genuine Predator 212 at the moment, so just had that and the exhaust. So that's all of that one. Alright, that's all for today's video. So I'll post more on the engines, like the Briggs and Stratton, and make videos on the homemade mini bike build. So see you in the next one.